In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp Dashboard 2026. By the end, you'll go from a list view to a brand new dashboard you can use to track work at a glance, with a few tips to make your choices more intentional. Start in your ClickUp workspace and open any list view, like all tasks. This keeps your context clear and makes it easy to pull in the data you care about later. From here, look to the main navigation and open the Dashboards area. This hub is where all existing dashboards live and where you'll create new ones. If you want a full overview of what's already available, select All Dashboards first. It's a quick way to check whether a similar dashboard already exists before you build your own. Next, choose the dashboard option to start the creation flow. You'll see options for how you want to build. If you want total control over layout and widgets, choose Start from Scratch. This is great when you already know what metrics matter and want to decide everything yourself, from charts and task lists to time tracking and workload views. If you prefer a faster setup or want inspiration, switch to Featured. Here, you can browse curated templates designed for common scenarios, such as team reporting, sprint tracking, or operations summaries. Templates come with pre-configured widgets and layouts, so you can get a useful view in minutes and then tailor it to your needs. As you explore, use the highlighted options on screen to refine your choice. This typically includes previewing a template, checking which parts of your workspace it will draw from, and confirming basic settings like visibility and where the dashboard will live. Take a moment to make sure the selection matches your goals. For example, if you need a weekly pulse check, a template that emphasizes due dates and workload can keep priorities clear. If you're reporting to stakeholders, a clean, high-level summary view might be the better fit. When you're satisfied with your selection and settings, confirm by selecting Create Dashboard. ClickUp will generate the board for you, and you'll land on the finished view ready to use. From here, you can immediately start reading the data or refine the layout to match how your team works best. That's the complete flow. Open your list, head to the Dashboards hub, review all dashboards, start the creation flow, pick either a blank canvas or a featured template, confirm your highlighted options, and create your dashboard. With that, you've set up a powerful control center for your work, clear, centralized, and built for real-time insight.